Hi, everyone! Today, we're going on an underwater mission where we want to learn about sea turtle, jellyfish, dolphin, clownfish, octopus, seahorse, and more. We will discover some underwater secrets. So grab your snorkels and let's dive right in. Wow! Look, a sea turtle! Did you know? Sea turtles can live to be over 100 years old. Sea turtles are like the superheroes of the sea because they can travel super far, even across whole oceans, and always find their way back home where they were born. Let's take a look at this beautiful floaty friend that looks like a living, breathing, underwater balloon. The jellyfish move by pulsing up and down, kind of like how a heartbeat feels. They can be all sorts of pretty colors, and some even glow in the dark. But remember, even though they're pretty, we don't touch them because they can give us a big ouch. Here come the dolphins! Let's race with them! Dolphins love to jump and spin in the water, and they're always smiling. They talk to each other with clicks and whistles, which is how they say hello and let's play. Dolphins are very friendly and super smart. They even have their own names for each other. Check out the clownfish. It's like the funny friend of the sea with bright orange and white stripes. Clownfish live in their cozy homes called sea anemones. They zip around, playing and staying safe. And they're so friendly, making new fishy pals. Let's move on. What's that old ship doing down here? That's a pirate ship. A long time ago, this ship sank to the bottom of the ocean, and now it's like a big underwater playground for sea creatures. Now we are diving to the bottom of the ocean to find the octopus. They are the sea's mystery creatures with 8 wiggly arms. Octopuses are amazing because they can change colors to match where they are, which makes them great at playing hide and seek. Last but not least, we have the seahorse. They're like tiny horses with curly tails. Seahorses like to hold on to things with their tails, like branches, so they don't float away. And guess what? They have noses that look like tiny straws, perfect for sipping up their favorite snacks. That should be all for today. Oh no, wait! What's all that trash doing down here? That's not good at all. This trash can hurt the animals and make the ocean dirty. Sea creatures can get tangled up in plastic or mistake it for food, which can make them very sick. We need to take care of our ocean so that these amazing creatures can live happily and healthily. Every little bit helps. Thank you for joining me on this underwater adventure. We learned so much today. Remember, we can all help protect our oceans. See you next time. Bye!